Severe, come out.
Tell them, okay, let's stop. You want to talk? Let's stop. I'm going home next train. Huh? Okay, let's talk about it.
Severe, come out.
Tell them, okay, let's stop. You want to talk? Let's stop. I'm going home next train. Huh? Okay, let's talk about I respect you. I said this in the first place. Yes. I respect the law. What's it? I don't. My train is going. I'm legit in. I have tickets. I have everything. Why do you not let me go home? That's it.
He really doesn't understand what he's done at all. I mean, it might be that he's done absolutely nothing, but everybody jumped on him. Who knows? Go and see if I've got a train then. Well, I don't particularly know what happened then. It was on platform 6 here. There was a London train waiting to leave late, and I think he might have been prevented from getting on it. And then he ran back towards the exit and left. And then he was stating that he had tickets and he was valid, and he didn't know why he was stopped, why he was prevented. All very unclear.